Hello, my little friends. I'm NYJAEAH, and I'm gonna sing a song. I know it's really bad, so don't bother me. Okay. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards from blows from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under the stream and no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light, let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show 'em what you want. Make 'em go, You're gonna leave 'em going, Thank you. That was my little brother. I was kind of beating up, so don't mind him. Tell me, comment what you think. Do you think I have a good voice?